We have 7 Shih Tzu puppies that was born on October the 21st of '08. Today is November the 3rd of '08. We have 5 males and 2 females. We will show you the puppies individually. This is one of our females. She is black and white. She has a little unique spot on top of her head. Her eyes are not yet open. She's nice and plump. She's one of our plump ones. Her name is Oreo. Our second girl is one of the smallest out of the bump. She's runt. She is brown and white. Her eyes are open. Open your eyes. She's all white, except she has a brown spot on her bottom. She has one on top of her head, and her ears are brown. Other than that, she's all white, and she's a female, and she is the runt of the bunch. But she's catching up. She's catching up. The third dog is a male. He's all white. He's one of our unique ones. His eyes are already open. His was the first to open. He's very plump. He's the feisty one out of the bunch. Once again, he's all white, and he's a male. This is Sugar. Fourth dog is also a male. He's white with brown spots. His eyes is also open. This is Brownie. His ears are black. He has a unique spot on top of his forehead. And he's nice and plump. Nice and plump. With his eyes open. Fifth one is also a male. All white with brown spots. This one has lighter spots than the rest of them. He is one of the unique ones. His eyes is not yet open. He has a brown spot covering only his right eye. His eyes have not yet opened yet. Very precious. Very nice and plump. The sixth puppy is also a male. He's all white with big brown spots. His left eye is covered up. Eyes are already open. Nice and plump. Our last male is also white with brown spots. His brown spots are darker than the other ones, and he also has black mixed in. His eyes have not yet opened all the way. His left eye is halfway open, and the right one is closed. You see he has a little black and brown over his eye. He's very plump also. And that is all 7 puppies.